Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lilies bloom faster. To begin, understanding their fundamental needs is crucial. Lilies thrive with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, so pick a sunny spot. Good drainage is also essential. Soggy soil can hinder growth. Consistent moisture, but not waterlogging, is key. Selecting a lily variety suited to your local climate will also significantly improve your chances of early and abundant blooms. For robust lily growth and quicker blooms, focus on your soil. Incorporate plenty of organic matter, like compost, to enhance drainage and nutrient retention. Lilies prefer a soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0, which is slightly acidic to neutral. Use a balanced, slow-release granular fertilizer, such as a 5-10-10 or 10-10-10 formula. Apply this fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks throughout the active growing season to provide a steady supply of essential nutrients. Proper watering and sunlight are non-negotiable for accelerating lily blooms. Water deeply once or twice a week, particularly during dry periods, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Always check the soil's top inch. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Lilies absolutely need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If your garden lacks this, consider relocating them or providing supplemental light to meet their needs. Finally, strategic pruning and diligent pest management will significantly boost your lilies' blooming speed. Deadhead spent flowers by snipping them off to redirect the plant's energy into producing more buds, rather than seeds. Promptly remove any yellowing or diseased leaves to maintain plant health. Regularly inspect your lilies for pests like aphids or spider mites. Address any infestations quickly using organic pest control methods to keep your plants vigorous and blooming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.